Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix Windows 11 start menu not working properly. If you are also facing such type of issue, your start menu if not responding, not working, then here are the process. Right click on start button and choose task manager. And here restart your Windows Explorer process. From the left side of task manager page, click on process and thereafter select Windows Explorer or File Explorer from the right side. And simply click on restart from the top right corner. Simply click on Windows Explorer and click on restart task from the top right corner. And check whether your Windows 11 start menu working or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is right click on a start button or go to Windows search and here type go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. A pop-up window will appear, choose yes, and thereafter in command prompt Windows execute the command sfc scan now or these three DISM tool one by one. First execute these three DISM tool one by one. DISM online cleanup image scan health, DISM online cleanup image check health, and DISM online cleanup image restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one followed by enter key on each time in command prompt Windows, and thereafter execute the command sfc /scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files and repair them accordingly. It will take some time. Wait till 100% verification complete. Once successfully completed, don't forget to restart your system and check whether your Windows 11 start menu working or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button and choose settings. Here in settings, from the left side of settings, go to Windows Update and click on check for updates, and if any pending action available then simply fulfill it, and otherwise check for updates, and if any update available, download and install Windows latest operating system update in your system. Sometime outdated operating system may be a cause of various type of function not working properly on your system, so you must install Windows latest update in your system. And check whether your start menu working or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on a start button and choose terminal admin, and in terminal admin execute the command to reset your start menu. This command path will also available in my video's description box. You may copy from there. Simply execute in Windows terminal in administrator mode. This will reset your apps package start menu, and press enter and follow on screen instruction to complete the process, and after that don't forget to restart your system.